What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. Lamborghini finally unveiled the new supercar, the Lamborghini Temerario. This car should be coming early 2025 for about $250,000 to $310,000 depending on the colors and specs. But we've been looking at spy shots and renderings for a while now, for a couple of months, and everybody's been really anxious to seeing this car, and it's finally here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Lamborghini CEO unveiling the new Lamborghini Temerario.
Welcome to the stage, Chairman and CEO of Automobili Lamborghini, Mr. Stefan Winkelmann.
Buongiorno, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Crave, and welcome to Lamborghini. You know, it's always good to be in California. Also because the US is our most important market, and within the US, California is the #1 market. We are 61 years of age in Automobili Lamborghini, and we are in the best shape ever. So we are also very well positioned in terms of financials, and we are reinvesting our money into the future of the company. And most of it goes into the new products. So we started an offensive last year with the Lamborghini Revuelto, which is a global success story. And this year in Beijing in April we presented the Urus SA. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here we are presenting the successor of the Lamborghini Huracan, the all-new Lamborghini Temerario. And I'm going to ask Mitja Borkat and Ruben Moore to help me to unveil the car. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Thank you. This is the job of the team of Lamborghini. So, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Lamborghini Temerario. Let's start with the name. The Temerario is the name of a fighting bull, like in the best Lamborghini tradition. Temerario fought in the Arena of Madrid in 1875, and we picked his name because he was very brave. And if we start to speak about Lamborghini, it's all about design and performance. And what can we do when we see a car like this? The Temerario is representing those two pillars in a perfect way. So we start with the design. The design is also always to be recognizable. So we have the squared greenhouse, we have the silhouette single line, which is going from the front until the back. We have an iconic and futuristic design in this car. And we have design elements like the hexagons, and the front lights, and the rear, and also the exhaust, representing details of Lamborghini of the past. But this design is also underlining the aerodynamic and also the cooling system for the powertrain and the engine. And if we move from outside in, the next step we're looking into is the space frame, which is all made out of aluminum. It's very light, so lighter than the predecessor, and has a torsional stiffness which is better than the car before. And now we come to the heart of Lamborghini, so the powertrain. And this powertrain develops 920 horsepower, coming from a 4-liter V8 biturbo engine and 3 electric motors. 2 are assembled on the front axle and 1 in the back, between the engine and the gearbox. And if we look at the output, now we have 200 horsepower per liter, and this with an incredible sound is revving up to 10,000 RPM. So something which is very peculiar, unique, even for a super sports car company and the environment we're in. So this is something which is really a 40 class. And then together with the dual clutch, the 8-speed dual clutch, we have 13 driving modes, from the most comfortable one to the extreme one, which is Corsa. And together with the all-wheel drive system, the car jump starts from 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds and has a top speed which is exceeding the 212 miles per hour. So something really incredible. But I'm not finished. Also in terms of roominess, we improved big time. So also very large, big people, tall people, up to 6.7 feet tall, are fitting comfortably in the car. And also the luggage space improved, the trunk in the front, but also behind the seats we have more space. So this is very important for us. And I have to say that this car is coming from the very beginning in two versions. So we have this one, and then we have the Temerario Alleggerita, which means a lighter car. It has less weight, so 55 pounds reduced, improved aerodynamic, and even more downforce. And ladies and gentlemen, this is something which is very close to my heart, because I think that the lineup you see here is the best we've ever had at Lamborghini in the 61 years of history. And I would like to invite on stage my first levels, at least the ones which could make it out here to California today. And please, gentlemen, join me on stage. So if I start presenting them, you might know Nitya Borgat, our chief designer, Ruben Moore, Dr. Ruben Moore, Chief Technical Officer, Silvano Micheli, our Chief Purchasing Director, then Ranieri Nicoli, our Chief Dutch Manager Officer. Federico Foschini, you might know, is our Chief Marketing and Sales Officer. Paolo Racchetti, he's the one responsible for the product line who made the Temerario. Paolo Pova, our Chief Financial Officer, and then Tim Bravo, our Chief of the Press Department, Communications and Press. So ladies and gentlemen, it's really an honor and a pleasure to be here with those people which are representing their functions, but globally all the employees in Automobile Lamborghini. Also the team we have here in the US, and for sure the 185 ambassadors, our dealers around the globe. So thank you very much. Remember, we are not selling mobility, we are selling dreams.
All right, so that was really exciting. Expect the new Lamborghini Temerario to cost between $290,000 to $310,000 in the US, depending on color, specifications, and whatnot. This car, it's pretty amazing. 900 plus horsepower. It's definitely a step up from the Huracan. I can't wait to see this car in person. I cannot wait to hear it in person. But yeah, I really like the design. I think it looks like a proper Lamborghini. It looks like the proper baby Lambo. So let's see where it goes from here. Like again, I can't wait for it to release. And yeah, I live in South Florida, so I'll definitely be seeing a lot of these Temerarios roaming around. But yeah, I like the design of the car. I like the interior. I like the fact that you have a drift mode, and it's a hybrid. You know, they didn't go full electric, which is huge thumbs up. And yeah, let's see what's next. But great car. I love it. I love it so far. I think the only thing I don't like about this new car is the name. I don't like the name Temerario, but it was the same thing when the Lamborghini Revuelto came out. I was like, Revuelto? Scrambled? Like scrambled eggs? But I don't know. Hopefully the name will grow on me, but as of right now, not really a fan of the name Temerario. Most of the people won't even be able to pronounce it. So yeah, Temerario. Also not a big fan of the hexagon daytime running lights on the lower bottom end of the bumper. I do love the rear end. The rear end is, I love the hexagon tail lights. I love the single exhaust, and I also love the rear bumper with the diffusers and the cutout that you can actually see the tires. I think that's a really cool touch. That's probably my favorite part of the car. My favorite part is the rear end. Rear end is a huge thumbs up. Lamborghini did a great job designing this car, even more with the Revuelto. But so far I'm loving it. So far I'm loving the Temerario. Pretty great car. We'll see once people get it on the road and they test drive it. We'll see how it drives. Hopefully one day I'll be able to drive it and bring you guys the video of that, but we'll see. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.